So today I received a comment related to Discord from Ash the Player 9 starting that they can't select their mic on Discord. I don't know if they are a girl or a boy, but anyways, let's get started. They were waiting for a response 2 days ago, but unfortunately, as you know, if you guys are active on my channel, I update you on every situation. My internet was not working for the past 3 or 4 days, but now it's fixed. So I replied. However, let me explain the method in the video. If you guys are new on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe this YouTube channel and stay active on community post because mostly I update my situations and everything. Okay, firstly, you need to make sure you have allowed the necessary permissions. For that, you need to go to the Windows settings. So simply going over there, Windows and then settings. Over here, you will see here the privacy. In the privacy, just scroll down on the left side, you will get here the microphone. It will not work on Discord. Also make sure check these options on, like if there's any microphone Discord is available, and also check this option on allow desktop apps to access your microphone. If it's already on, check this option, so this will work. As you can see right now, currently I'm using with OBS, so it's working. Anyways, now the thing, if it's fine, let's move on the step number 2. If the permissions is allowed but the mic still is not working, that's a bit strange, is it? Try testing the mic with another PC to see it's working. If it is, then we will troubleshoot it further. So if it's working, then go into the Windows icon, then search here for control panel and open it. Once it's pop up, make sure go into the hardware and sounds and then sounds. Once you over here, now go into the recording. As you can see, it's monitoring my voice right now. I'm speaking and it's monitoring. So this means my mic is working. In case if it's not working, then change the pin in a different microphone hubs. Might be this will fix your problem. There's something wrong with your microphone ping, might be it's in a wrong hole or something. But anyways, you need to test it. Once your microphone is working over here, now let's move further. Step number 4. Seems like everything is fine. Now there is one solution. I know usually everything is fine here for most pupils, but even then, if the mic is not working, you might prefer using a third-party tool. This should hopefully solve your problem. So let's get started. So what's the problem main? Let's discuss it first. Here's the Discord, and a lot of people are facing issues that their microphone is not detecting over here. And what we can do here, we can include here the cable output. As you can see, you need to download this cable. This is the cable. Actually, it's work like cable. All right, after downloading and installing the VB cable, now what you can do here, just opening the Discord. By default, a lot of people are not getting here the microphone option. Even they have microphone, but the Discord is not detecting any input. But when you install cable output, it will be over here. But right now it's not capturing my microphone sound. And how you can do this, just go into the control panel, hardware and sound, and then sound. And once you over here, just double tap on your microphone that you are using and it's monitoring your sound right now. Now go into the listen, go here and check here the cable input VB audio virtual cable, just like this, hit apply. All right, now still it's not capturing until you check this option and hit apply. Now it will capture your microphone sound and send it through the cable output. So this is how you can just make alternative microphone for your Discord. Hopefully this will work for you. One more thing I can just explain over here in this. It's okay. So I'm speaking and you can see it's monitoring my audio, even though I did not select here the microphone. So this is how you can configure it. and see you in the next video. Just take yourself and your family. See you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.